Hello, my dear students. I'm CK. Now I'm explaining equations of an ellipse from the chapter conic sections, 11th standard or first PUC. This theorem is very important for annual examination for 6 marks in the part E. They can give part E. For the test, they can give 5 marks. My dear students, all of you subscribe my channel. Now, the proof of this theorem is, now the equation of this theorem, you should observe x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the equation for ellipse. Now, first you draw a diagram of this theorem. I am taking a Cartesian plane. Okay. Now should take it the ellipse. Okay. On the ellipse, we are taking one point, that is P. Okay, this point is what? P. And on the x-axis, we are taking the foci. So this is what? F1 minus C comma 0. And again, this point is what? F2 C comma 0. And the center is O. Now, from this point and this foci F1, you should join the points. Okay. Now from F2 also should join this. Now should observe. So this point P, what we have, this is what x comma y we are taking the coordinates. And for F1 minus C comma 0 and F2 is what? C comma 0. And this point 0 comma minus B, because this is what? Y dash. And this is what? X. So here's A comma 0. And again this one is what? Y 0 comma B. And again this one is what? X dash. This point is what? Minus A comma 0. Clear it is all of you. Okay. Now the explanation of this diagram, you should observe. Let us consider a ellipse with center 0 comma 0 and its foci are f1 minus c comma 0 and f2 c comma 0. Full stop. Now should observe. Let p of x comma y be any point on the ellipse on ellipse such that P Pf1 plus Pf2 equal to 2a. Pf1 equal to Pf1 plus Pf2 equal to 2a. My dear students, all of you should observe here Pf1. So for these 2 points, when you apply the distance formula we all know here. So here d equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. When you apply this formula for these two coordinates, so we get it here. So all of you should observe. So square root of x plus c whole square plus y square. So why it is only y square means you should observe x comma minus to minus it will come out plus c. Now y minus 0 we have y minus 0 means what? Y square only we are taking here. Okay. Now plus P and F2 also should apply here the distance formula. So square root of we get it here x minus c whole square plus y square, it is equal to 2a. My dear students, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ. So y minus 0 means what? Y only it will come. So y square we are taking. Clear it is all of you. Now you should observe this one. What we have, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನಾವು RHS side ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So here square root of x plus c whole square plus y square, it is equal to 2a minus square root of x minus c whole square plus y square. We got it. Clear? Now we are taking a SBS. SBS means square on both sides when you are taking here. So x plus c whole square plus y square, it is equal to 2a minus square root of x minus c whole square plus y square whole square. We get it. Sir, where is square in this side? Means square root, it is cancelled. So we got it remaining is what? X plus c whole square plus y square, it is equal to, so 2a minus square root of x minus c whole square plus y square whole square. We got it. Clear it is all of you. My dear students, I will give you the step by step theorem. Okay, so you can clearly should observe. Okay, now should observe this x plus c whole square plus y square, same as it is, you should keep it here. My dear students, you can observe a minus b whole square formation we have. Yes or no? So we know a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b whole square means the formula is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Yes or no? So according to that, this one I am taking here 2a square means what? 4a square we get it plus. So here square root of x minus c whole square plus y square whole square, a square plus b square is got. Now minus 2 of 2a and again square root of x minus c whole square plus y square, a square plus b square minus 2ab formation. We got it. Now square and root cancel. You got it. Remaining thing you should observe. Okay. So x plus c whole square plus y square, it is equal to 4a square plus remaining what we have, x minus c whole square plus y square minus 2 into 2, we get about 4a square root of x minus c whole square plus y square. We got it, remaining thing. Okay. Now, positive sign we have. So, y square cancel. Now, remaining, you should observe a plus b whole square formula we can apply. So, x square plus c square plus 2xc. Okay. So, a square plus b square plus 2ab formation. So, 4a square, you should keep it same as it is. Now, you should observe a minus b whole square formula, x square plus c square minus 2xc. So, minus 4a square root of x minus c whole square plus y square. Got it, all of you? Now, you can cancel any, if it is any cancellation, you can cancel x square and x square, it is cancel, and again c square and again c square, it is cancel. Now, remaining, you should observe 2xc, this 4a square I am taking to this side, minus 4a square, we get it. It is equal to, now should observe this minus 2xc, what we have. When you are shifted to LHS side, we get it here, minus, minus, minus we have. So when you are shifted to LHS side, we get it about plus 2xc. It is equal to minus 4a square root of x minus c whole square plus y square, we got it. Now should observe 2xc plus 2xc, what we get? 4xc minus 4a square, it is equal to minus 4a square root of x minus c whole square plus y square. Got it, all of you? So now my here we can take it, 4 is common, so xc minus a square. Okay, so this minus 4a, what we have, we can take it here denominator, so minus 4a I'm taking to the LHS side. So remaining is what? Square root of x minus c whole square plus y square. Got it, all of you? Now should observe, I'm going to next page, all of you should observe 4xc minus a square by minus 4a, it is equal to square root of x minus c whole square plus y square we have in the previous page. Now should observe the continuation. In the 4 we can cancel it. In the numerator I'm taking a common is minus. So we get about a square minus xc by minus a. It is equal to square root of x minus c whole square plus y square. Clear? So minus minus cancel here. A square by a, we can take it a square by a minus xc by a, it is equal to square root of x minus c whole square plus y square. A and the square cancel, and again the square root, what we have, should shifted to the LHS side, we get it what? A minus xc by a whole square, it is equal to x minus c whole square plus y square. So if you are not understanding, we can take it here SBS. Okay, so here square root cancel. So again we are taking here the square here. Clear it is, all of you? Now again a minus b whole square formula we can apply here. A square plus c square x square by a square. Okay, a square plus b square formation minus 2 into a into b xc by a. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab formation. It is equal to x minus c whole square, means a minus b whole square formula we can apply, x square plus c square minus 2xc plus y square. Got it, all of you? Now should observe a square, should keep it, plus c square x square by a square. Now this a and this a cancel. So remaining is what? Minus 2xc. It is equal to x square plus c square minus 2xc plus y square. So my dear students, all of you should observe minus xc it is cancelled. Clear it is all of you. This x square we can shift it to LHS side. So a square plus c square x square by a square minus x square, it is equal to, so we got it what? C square plus y square is the remaining. Clear it is all of you. Now should observe this c a square what we have, I'm shifting to other RHS side. Okay, now in these two we are taking the common is what? X square I'm taking common. Remaining is what? C square by a square minus 1. It is equal to y square plus c square minus a square we are taking. Clear it is all of you. So my dear students, we have the formula a square minus b square, it is equal to c square. We have the formula is this one. So now you should observe minus b square equal to c square minus a square. This a square when I shifted to this side, we get about minus a square. Got it all of you. So instead of c square minus a square, we are taking what? Minus b square, we can take it. Yes or no? So now should observe. Now should observe. So here x square you should keep it same as it is. Okay. C square minus a square by a square. Okay. Now it is equal to y square. This whole thing I'm taking here what? Minus b square I'm taking here. Minus b square. Clear it is all of you. Now this y square when you are shifted to this side. Okay. X square of minus b square divided by a square minus y square, it is equal to minus b square. Clear it is all of you. Now this b square when you shifted to the denominator LHS side when you shifted to here. So x square of minus b square and again a square of minus b square. So minus of y square divided by minus b square is equal to 1. B square getting cancelled, x square by a square. So minus into minus plus y square by b square, it is equal to 1. My dear students, all of you should observe this is what? The ellipse equation. So my dear students, you can observe once again, I solved every step. Okay, so you can skip some steps. Clear it is all of you. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ and you should learn this theorem. Clear it is all of you. My dear students, all of you should subscribe and share this your friends also. Thank you so much.